guys hear me? Wow. Saya satu.
Kung Pinoy boxing prospect lang ang ating pag-uusapan mga tol, hindi natin maitanggi na isa na nga dito itong pinagmamalaki ng Kanduni sa Negros Occidental. Ang 26 years old na si JR Raquinil na may 16 wins at 13 knockouts sa kanyang kartada, binansagang The Dreamer dahil sa lakas at tulis ng kanyang mga suntok. Kung saan si Raquinil mga tol ay rank number 5 sa WBC sa Super Flyweight Division at nagmula sa 5 magkasunod na panalo na ang lahat ay tinapos niya sa knockout sa loob lang ng round 1 at round 2 at inangkin nito ang Oriental and Pacific Flyweight title at WBO Intercontinental Super Flyweight title. Mula dito mga tol sa performance ni Raquinil, nabigyan ito ng malaking laban para sa kanyang karera kung saan naimbitahan ito sa Africa para sa isang titulo. Ngunit hindi ito madali para kay Raquinil mga tol dahil makatapat nito ang kinatatakutang undefeated boxer ng mga Afrikano, ang kanilang number 1 prospect na si Landi ng Siki na isang African champion na may 9 wins, walang talo at 4 knockouts na kanilang may turing na future world champion. Kaya sa laban na ito mga tol, lumabas na dihado ang ating pambato, lalo na alam naman natin sa Africa na napakahirap manalo sa pamamagitan ng desisyon, kaya kailangang patulugin ang kalaban upang masigurado. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinatulog ni Raquinil na parang tinumbang poste itong future world champion ng Africa. Sa laban na ito, dala ni Raquinil mga tol ang 12 wins, 2 losses na may 9 knockouts kontra kay ng Siki na may 9 wins, walang talo at 4 knockouts, kung saan nakataya dito ang WBO Intercontinental Super Flyweight title na ginanap sa East London sa South Africa. Sa unang round pa lang mga tol, talagang lamang na sa tangkad itong sinang Siki na naka-orthodox stance at naka-southpaw stance naman itong ating Pinoy.
Down goes the South African, Nike, Bandili, Manda, Genki. The referee said there was not a knockdown. Again, Brian, Southpaw versus Orthodox. And the South African much significantly taller than his opponent. Yeah, and he's never lost it. I mean, 10-5 and no losses. That's a good showing. But one thing that we know, Brian, is that
naging maingat ang dalawang boxers dito sa ikalawang minuto ng round 1 mga tol, na parehong may knockout power ang bawat isa.
It's Rapinoe. Well, we saw we saw Filipino one. When he's catching the South African, Brian. These are big punches coming from Rapinoe. And he was southpaw. He is definitely seeing Nike. No, Nike doesn't like it. And I'm looking at his body, Brian. He looks dry, so he might not maybe be still didn't have a good warm-up. I can hardly see any sweat on his body, the South African Nike. So maybe he's been quite cold in the first round. Well, we saw that earlier on as well, Pete, where the young man was cold and he warmed up. And he still got knocked out.
Umpisa nang tumama ang mga solidong suntok ng dalawang boxers dito sa huling minuto ng round 1 mga tol, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay ang dalawang fighters.
Vacant WBO International Junior Bantamweight over 12 rounds. And also the brand Junior Bantamweight, these guys look too big before Junior Bantamweight. They look really big there. They're really big for so I think the guys are today in this weight division. At this weight division, yes. Now Mike now starting to come out of his shell now. He was shaken at the beginning of the round. Good. JR has showed that he's come to fight, there's no doubt about that. And he's not also waiting to worry about now the rounds, the 12 rounds. He says, I don't care 12 rounds or not, I'm going to start very, very fast. And I'm going to Raquinil.
Matapos ang unang round mga tol, talagang kampante itong mga African fans na naghihintay sa pagbagsak ng Pinoy na si Raquinil. Sa ikalawang round mga tol, naging agresibo itong si Raquel na wala ng planong paabutin pa sa desisyon ang laban, habang naghihiyawan naman ang mga fans ni ng Siki pag tumama ang kanilang pambato.
Let's see Brian if Mike has warmed up and if they're going to be able to do something. But one thing I can tell you, Brian, this fight here is not going to be the last fight now, where it was a bit quiet now for the first 6 rounds. The Filipino, Raquel, they are winning the first round. Definitely won the first round, Brian. And now Mike is trying to come back into the fight now, hoping to win round number 2. He cannot afford to win the first 2 opening rounds in a row. Well, he even looks the part. I must say, he looks very well conditioned, very focused. He's JR. Brian Akile. Whoa, big right. Unbelievable stuff there.
Mula sa mga solidong suntok ni Raquel mga tol, bumagsak si ng Siki. Tumayo man ito ngunit halatang hilo pa.
Whoa. Is it going to be out for the Filipinos? Wow, stuff here. Brian London.
Mula dito, binanatan na ito ng ating Pinoy ngunit inawat ng referee ang laban. Akala mo tapos na ang bakbakan ngunit tinulungan lang pala nito na makapahinga ang kanilang pambato. Dito na tinapos ni Raquel mga tol ang paghihirap ng Aprikano at wala nang magawa ang referee kundi itigil ang laban.
Two guys from the Philippines at Zambia and one in South. Wow, Brian. What can you say? Now it's another great thing. Yeah. And it's not that I've done one South Africans. Yes. As the Filipinos come here so many times, they're humble.
Nakuha ni Raquel mga tol ang technical knockout na panalo sa loob ng ikalawang round at naging WBO champion. Tungkol naman sa pinakita ni Raquel mga tol, may chance kaya itong maging world champion? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
WBO Intercontinental Junior Bantamweight Champion, Raquel the Dreamer.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.